Welcome back to BLUETTI Support. Today, we're taking apart BLUETTI's very first mini power station, the Elite 10. Despite its compact and lightweight design, it still delivers impressive, stable performance you can count on. Power it off first. Always start safe. Remove the 4 bottom screws. Flip it over and lift off the top cover. The flame retardant and wear-resistant ABS shell feels solid, reliable, and built to last. Inside, unscrew bat positive, bat negative, and bat in. Unclip the fan. Slide in the insulating washer, and the battery is safely isolated. Pull off the front panel, and you'll see the buttons are clearly organized for easy operation without confusion. Turn to the back and lift the LED assembly. The Elite 10 features 3 built-in LED lighting modes: cool white and warm white for nighttime camping or reading, plus an SOS mode for emergencies. Remove the clips and the remaining screws to release the motherboard. Take a look. Everything's neatly arranged, no messy wires in sight. With the battery management system integrated into the board and the auxiliary power supply built into the transformer, the Elite 10 keeps its interior incredibly efficient. On top of that, premium solid-state capacitors keep the CPU running smoothly. Over on the side, the AC outlet delivers 200 watts of continuous power, perfect for high-power laptops, Wi-Fi routers, and more. And powering it all are the ultra-safe lithium iron phosphate batteries, built to last over 3,000 cycles and provide up to a decade of reliable use. That's everything inside. Snap it back in place. Quick check. All good. From the inside out, BLUETTI powers you safely.